Hey guys, Kalila here. I forgot that I will not be doing any kind of Vlogmasy videos because I have these videos that are going up on the Kintra sweater that I am test knitting. So I decided every single Sunday, because I'm supposed to open an Advent every single Sunday, I'll insert clips of me opening these skeins for you guys to see and up until Christmas. And then we'll go on with our regularly scheduled program with the kintra sweater, okay? So this is the Advent that I got gifted from Fable Knitwear, and I am so freaking excited. It's the first Sunday of the Advent, December 1st. So let's open it and see what we have. Oh gosh, okay. Let me close my eyes. You're seeing it first. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is on the Athena base and it's called Nutcracker. It has Stellina. Can you see? Can you see? Oh my God. Duh. Oh my God. This is fingering weight yarn. 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 5% gold Stellina. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh. I wonder if this fades. That would be so cool if it fades. I have no clue what I want to make with these, but we're going to see after I set all of these apart, okay? Because I need to, it has to be something fingering. It has to be. Maybe it could be some beautiful socks. Maybe it could be an entire garment, but we'll see. But this is Advent 1. And I will open another one next week. Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Welcome to day 2 of me knitting on the Kintra test knit sweater, okay? I am not feeling great, but I'm chilling with Kahila.
Hello.
We're watching some Fortnite streams, and I'm gonna start knitting on the collar. I'm gonna finish the collar and fold it, and it's 3:17 p.m., so I believe I have enough time to do that today, and then maybe start on some of the color work. And I have my whole life with me here. All my yarn, my water, that's not mine, my everything, okay? So to remind you of my progress, here it is, and I'm very excited working on this, but we'll talk more later. I'm also currently wearing my Chunky Dahlia that I knitted 2 years ago when I went to Sweden with my sisters to visit Alexandra from Alexandra's Con.
That's who I miss posting.
Girl, I was just about to be like, I miss her videos, bro. Like, I miss them. But anyway, let's knit. Hello guys, it's 7 p.m. It's almost 7:30 p.m. actually. But I finished the collar. No, it didn't take me that many hours to finish the collar. I just took a lot of breaks. So, listen. People want me to knit slowly all the time. I'm finally doing it and listening. Maybe only because I'm sick, but I'm doing it. Okay? Like, doing it. Kayla's already folding hers, but I'm gonna fold mine. Yeah.
Barely.
She just started. But I'm gonna fold mine as well. It already looks so amazing. This colorway. It's so good. Okay. Anyway, let's fold the collar. Hey guys, so I wanted to start the chart. Well, I started the chart, but I just did the stockinette row, and now I'm about to start the colorwork section, but I'm not going to because I'm so freaking tired. My body is like, because I'm unwell, so it just wants to shut down and go to sleep. It's currently 9:22 p.m. Okay, so it's not even late, but I'm going to bed because my body is exhausted and I'd rather go to sleep, get some good sleep, and then wake up refreshed and ready to knit on this tomorrow. So here's my 2 days of progress. Technically just a few hours because I barely knit on it. Anyway, that's it for today. Sorry if it's a little shorter, but listen, okay. Oops, I just dropped my yarn. I don't know what I was about to say. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.